Above 200 now, something changes altogether. The input over here now fast tracks through the thalamus like it did, but it fast tracks to the cerebral cortex, and more importantly, over 200, because of the Kundalini energy, you have an etheric brain and the etheric prefrontal cortex. Now, faster than the left brain can do it, you've already gotten it spiritually. If you live in context instead of content, this is a continuous process. So I say I prefer contemplation to meditation because I prefer contemplation to meditation because people say, I haven't got time to meditate today. You can't take out a half hour after breakfast and the kids are crying and all. So a contemplative lifestyle then is one of serenity in which you're focused on the totality of the surroundings rather than any fixed particular point within it. So you don't get caught up in the linear because your focus is not on the linear, your focus is on the field, the totality of the field. So you're just into the spirit of the whole place, and then the phenomena come and go of their own, you see, and you don't get caught in them. All right, so with the Kundalini energy flowing now, you become right brain. The fast track here is, so the emotional center, now your fast track is through the etheric brain, through the prefrontal cortex, and it's slower from the emotion. So you experience life differently. So there's no point to argue with people who are below 200 about whether your vision and understanding and experience of life is correct or not, because they're not capable of comprehending it, and it's a waste of time. They're not going to really know. They'll be polite and shake their head yes, but frankly, everyone privately believes that their view of the world is correct.